Okay guys, I wanted to hop on real quick just so I can demonstrate how you can change the color of the 3D text. So what I did right here, I just created this 3D text as a smart object. If you double click right here on the layer, you'll notice that we have a hue and saturation layer set up. All you have to do, make sure that hue and saturation layer is selected, and you're just gonna drag it to whatever color fits your need for the template. After you find whatever color you like, all you need to do is close it out. After you close it, you want to save it, and it'll update to your template right there. And let's get that color back to where it needs to be. The purple. Yeah, like that. There you go. But everything else you can modify. For example, this, change that to whatever you want. Of course, you can modify that. Modify that. So there you go.